Welcome to the Eastern Shore Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Eastern Shore housing market, which includes these areas. In December, all eyes were on Washington, D.C., gauging the likelihood of an agreement between Congress and the White House to avoid the fiscal cliff. With a partial deal on taxes completed, there are still important unresolved issues, resolving sequestration and raising the debt limit. Partisanship surrounding these issues will produce lingering uncertainty for the next 2.5 months. Despite the political wrangling, in December the national economy continued its steady pace of economic growth. The U.S. added another 155,000 jobs. Over the 12-month period from December 2011 to December 2012, the national economy grew by 1.8 million jobs, with growth broadly across the private sector, and the unemployment rate held steady at 7.8%. The year ended on an up note for the U.S. housing market, and conditions continue to improve. Most experts believe 2013 will be a good year for sellers. Inventories are still low, prices are rising, and underwriting guidelines for new mortgages are becoming more uniform. But the lack of uncertainty on fiscal issues will continue to rein in the potential for a more robust recovery and will likely result in continued slow, though steady, economic growth nationally. The Eastern Shore added about 700 jobs over the past 12 months, as the region's unemployment rate rose slightly to 7.5% from 7.1% in November. There were 198 sales in the Eastern Shore housing market in December, 9% higher than this time last year, and the 11th monthly increase during 2012. The consistency of year-over-year sales growth signals rising demand in this market. There were 162 new pending contracts in December, unchanged from this time last year. The most striking aspect of the 2012 market has been the diminishing supply of homes for sale. Active listings continue to plunge and have fallen to their lowest level since March 2006. There were 2,562 active listings at the end of December, 10% below this time last year. The pattern appears to be changing with new listings, however, which have been hovering around or above 2011 levels for the last 6 months. There were 267 new listings in December, up 8% from last year. At $224,750, the median sales price is up 12% from December 2011. Notably, the median sales price is also up over 2% from November, which is unusual for this time of year. The low inventory of active listings is likely playing a role in the price gains and also influencing the days on market. At 102 days, the median days on market is down 41 days from December 2011. As we continue through the winter months, it's unlikely that a dramatic surge of new listings will enter the market. This should keep upward pressure on prices as long as buyers remain active. However, the scarcity of inventory and the lingering fiscal uncertainty at the national level will continue to influence buyers and sellers and could create drag on the spring market. That's the Eastern Shore Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.